It's all gradually rolled in. I'm gonna try to walk that rear body panel out. I'm actually gonna climb in this trunk. Now I have another Subaru here. This one got hit in the back, dead center, and didn't do too much damage, but it rolled this whole rear body panel. It's all gradually rolled in. It's not destroyed, it should all pull out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it in a couple spots and I'm gonna try to walk that rear body panel out carefully, get it where it's supposed to be, and then I will have to get the trunk lid to where it's latching and sealing correctly and make sure the taillights and everything and the bumper, everything fits correctly. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this one. Now I'm trying to check the seal here to see how it's sealing, and looks like this corner needs to come out a little more. I can see a little bit of light through there. This side looks like it is touching, but barely, so I'm probably gonna bring this side out just a hair as well. This side needs more though. So I got this one looking good. I'm actually gonna climb in this trunk. I wanna do a final check and make sure it's sealing properly. I'm gonna shut this trunk and then I'll look for daylight around the seal. Looks like it's sealing very good. If I push up on it, you can see the daylight start to pop up. It looks like it's sealing good. Well, this one's looking very good. Taillights and everything are lining up good. So everything's sealing right. So I'm gonna go ahead and just clean up the rest of this, all the cracked paint and everything. Everything rolled out very nice. So I'll clean up the cracked paint and I'll send this over to our paint shop.